Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm going to show you how to fill a shape in Illustrator so you can quickly add color to your designs and make them pop. Step 1. Select the shape you want to fill using the selection tool. You can create a shape using any shape tool, like the rectangle tool, and click and drag on your artboard to draw it. Once selected, you'll see the fill and stroke options in the Properties panel. Step 2. Click on the fill box in the Properties panel to choose a color. You can select from the default swatches or double-click the fill box to open the color picker and pick any color you want, including custom hex codes or RGB CMYK values. Step 3. If you want, you can also change or remove the stroke around your shape. Click on the stroke box in the Properties panel, choose a color, or set it to none if you only want the fill to show. You can also adjust the stroke thickness using the stroke weight option. Thanks for watching! And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Illustrator tutorials.